You lie very well. You lie very well. Why don't you give me money? Why don't you give me money? Why don't you cook for me?
That hurts me.
You don't like cooking for me, and you think you came here to play?
No, stop it, please. Tom, I'm sorry.
You don't greet me in the morning.
That's not the reason.
And if you don't like very well, I'm going to beat the hands.
Tom, no, not my hand.
You don't clean the house. You don't clean the house. You have to leave money every day here. Have you heard? Stop crying. I know people who cry when I'm beating them. Yeah. Why don't you clean the house?
This isn't a reason to beat someone, Tom.
You don't give me breakfast.
Tom, this isn't right.
Why don't you give me breakfast?
No, stop it, Tom. Please.
Omuzungu gokunkumulemi komulanga chi.
Takafumba.
Sylvia, help me.
Help me. Saba help. Takola chi?
Takafumba anomere.
Chive.
Tampa Sente.
Yeah?
Nze nchima amazi. Ekola buli chimu. Oyo mulaba oyo.
Wait, they told me you don't give money. You don't want to cook. Punish her. Add.
No!
Add.
But he's the one supposed to bring money.
Well, how?
How can I be home? How can I cook?
He loves you. Let me tell you, he loves you. You see me why I left that marriage that I was in. The man didn't want to beat me.
And I'm just starting to love you.
Yes.
This is a sign of love.
Please show me that you love her. Show me that you love her.
I don't understand. Why do you say this?
Why don't you give me the money? Why don't you give me the money?
Why did you say
Why
that?
don't you give me the money?
Call for help.
I'm loving you here.
Don't leave me here. Don't leave me.
You don't listen.
Please.
Why you don't want to listen? I want you to always listen.
But I love you.
You love me where? I'm an extent.
Okola checho.
Ano tamfumbira gwola.
Bachakuba bakazi Tom.
Unogola batamfumbira tambuza kumacha.
Mama, help me.
Come.
Ana
mukazi nawe.
Mupe musonga z'abafumbo. Mupe musonga z'abafumbo.
Singa badde bakuba jangu
senga weba. Chichechi baddewo. Jambola
okuba wa.
Nzemba yisere kama nyonyole. Musajja watu Tom akira kumacha nagenda nanonya sente. Namuwa sente. Omanyoyo mukyala tafumba?
Na sente za nyini tampa.
Ekyo tekikubya mukazi.
Ambado lwata no.
Oyo waba afumbiddwa ono yalina okuwona sente.
Nakumacha
Omuzungu yalina okuwona sente.
Siye muzungu.
Yeye.
Jangu mama.
Ebyo nena keti yali abinkolera nayo notanfaako.
Hey, kati buzibu ki?
What is the problem? You say your problem. Me have brought help.
But he's beating me.
Why? Why you beat? Why Tom
He's
beat?
beating me basically like that.
No, let me tell you. This one.
Yogera Luganda lituwulira saawa zino.
Takola biketi bye yankolera. Tambuza kumacha. Tampa wadde 10 onokola bachokanga muzungu yajalabirira.
Don't you give your husband money?
Ala Sylvia ne wabampe mmere tafukamira.
Baba musajja watu mubunaku obuzibu.
Amasigo kunaaba nzenge etwalirayo mu kinabiro.
Wowe twalirayo amazzi.
Chive.
Kikyamu ekyo.
Wano
mbuganda ekyo kisobola kukolebwa.
Yetaaga abasooke bamuyigirize.
Kitegeeza mukuba.
You're supposed to be.
You're good. You have a husband who beat.
Yes.
First they beat us.
They just kick you out of the house.
But I don't understand. Why would you beat someone that you love?
So that you understand, and that is love.
What should I understand? He's telling me he's teaching me a lesson.
It's okay. Even if someone beats me.
Ate kambabulire mu abawakana. Omuzungu yenna bw'oba omufunye yeetaaga okumanya embeera zaffe. Kati wano Tom kyali mu kukola kikulu. Omuntu ali mu kumanya embeera zaffe ng'abasajja ng'abantu
abakyala abafirika
n'abasajja abafirika bwe tubeera nabo. Kaakati Tom okoze omulimu mulungi.
But I don't understand. Why would you want to be
What
beaten?
do you bring on the table?
What do you put on
What
the
do
table?
you bring on the
Mama,
table?
let me speak.
Speak resort.
Since I came here, he's asked me for money, I buy the food. He's asked me to cook, I cook. He tells me to clean the toilets, I clean. Wash the clothes, I wash. Give him children, he wants 10, I will try. Now, sometimes he's just there, he's there sleeping, he's there watching, he's there with his
So you
friends.
want to leave the marriage?
I didn't say I want to leave. I want him to help me at home. I don't want to leave. I love that man, but I don't understand. If he loved me, why can he watch me struggle, suffer? I'm tired. Sometime him too, he can help me.
What are you doing? What? The house chores.
But of course, it's for both of us. We're eating together, we're sleeping together.
Yeebakeko mu maka go.
Yali anoonya bubudamu ne mugamba wano twali kiddukiro ky'abanaku. N'agamba agenda
You
kunfumba.
came in my boy's house. It was a full of grace and harmony. You spoiled the whole grace and harmony.
It's not me, he's the one fighting. He's the one fighting me. Me, I'm trying my best, but again, I don't understand this form of love.
Give him money.
Love is not money. Love is not money.
What is love? What is love?
Okay. Let me ask you. In the past, men, they went out, they hunted, they chased animals, they brought them back, I cooked.
But
This one
never
I
never
understand.
chased animals.
Even they did. That's how all of us
For
came
you,
from.
you have gold. You have silver.
Gold is in Congo.
Give my son money.
Yes, we want
Give my son.
Gold is here. Gold is not there. No.
Yamufuula banka.
Tulumirirwa oli tetufune. Let's buy it for Tom.
What you have to do, you bring this woman to my place. I counsel her. I teach her African society, not to beat a stick on her.
That stick is African society.
They are spoiling your marriage.
Listen.
Don't beat someone who's
I want you to start biting for Tom.
Biting?
Yes,
What is biting?
Like that one.
I'm with Sente. You bite for Tom
Sympathy.
and
Like
give
sympathy.
Tom money.
Have sympathy.
But me too, I'm asking him to have empathy. If I feel for him, I see him, he's tired, I leave him.
Ebyo
sleep. I
byangamba
say he's
buli
hungry,
Do
I
you
cook
give
food.
Tom massage?
I give.
When
is he giving me massage? When is he cooking?
Onangamba ngembu give me empafu negenda eri nemuleetera empafu nga mpa kuva ku luzzi buli lunaku nera n'empafu tazisimba.
Do this. Give me some money.
No.
No. You see here, this woman here is the Mukulu,
Owner of the village.
is the owner of the village and the old person.
Last time she told me she's cousin of Museveni.
Oh, okay, wait, let me tell you. So we respect her very much. So when she's saying something, don't mind about the haters, the poor people in the community. Let her talk to you.
But I just feel
Let
like
me-
she's
let
the
me-
one
you-
understands.
Oh, listen.
Let me tell
Shut
you,
up.
Mama, my daughter.
You giving me.
You also shut up. Mama, my daughter, you see this girl?
I
She
see.
also left her man's place because of beating her. That's why she's at auntie's place.
And yet she told me she left because he didn't beat her.
No.
But I couldn't understand. Why would you leave because someone
Even
doesn't
this
beat?
one.
You give me
Kunova,
money, it
because-
helps you.
No.
Chiyambagwe. You give me money, it is going to help
Don't.
your family.
If Tom is treating
Money,
you
money,
bad,
I
you
just-
will come at my place and
Thank
stay there.
you.
I will
Thank
not
you.
allow you to that boy to beat you.
You suffer. You suffer.
What if they beat you also? How would you feel like this?
Mwongere.
You've beaten me.
Is it, are you here? It is the pain. Should I add you? Should I add you?
I'll stab you in the mouth and you bring saliva.
You don't tease me. Don't tease her. Sure.
You catch.
You stop beating someone who's daughter like that. Me don't want that. I'm cool, but on beating someone who's daughter. Stop it, you told. Last time you was good man on Kate. Now you are coming bad man. You're beating the woman.
Ate ontamye to okuva nayo sidamu okulabe wange ng'ojja okunsabiriza ebyokulya. Mwana abandi yenna bamukubye evubye yenna bamunudde omutwe. Nziramu n'enkulaba.
Me, I will act as your mother.
Thank you.
I teach you how to visit the bush. I teach you everything.
Amasitira.